Attorney, ano masasabi mo kay Auntie Claire na gusto niyang hamunin sa debate si VP Sara? Alam nyo, siguro kulang na yung na ano, yung mga na pinag-uusapan siya, kulang na yung atensyon na gusto niya. So, hindi ko bibigay yon. Ganito yun eh, pag may nakikita akong tao na gustong-gusto nilang pinapansin sila na they try to, do somersaults or, you know, argue or yung halatang halata na they want attention, I don't give it. Sabi ni Ma'am Violeta, don't let VP Sara attend impeachment hearing sa Kongreso dahil bababuyin lang siya doon. Dapat nga, buwag na ang Kongreso na yan, nakakahiya sila. Now, this is my thing. Ako, I agree with you. Sa totoo lang, I don't want to expose her to the kind of questioning that the House is likely going to do to her. But they're going to do that at a great risk. Halimbawa, ang dami-dami base dun sa sa surveys. VP Inday is hugely popular. Over 50% are now in favor of VP Inday. They trust her. They approve of her. Imagine kung binabalahura siya ng mga kongresista dyan. What will the voters think? So it is also entirely possible na yung mga congressmen will be deferential. Sasabihin nila, VP, bakit ganito, etc., etc. They will be very kind, but they will ask very tough questions. So that's also a possibility, di ba? So, hindi madali ang desisyon ni VP Inday dyan. Sabi ni Rafi, I feel like voters' revenge in the future election isn't enough of a blowback on the congressmen if they elect to impeach VP, even when the evidence is highly questionable. I feel like there has to be something else that could really hurt them if they ever intentionally approve a trash impeachment case. I'm thinking, capital punishment. Sabi ni Lucky, the VP's lawyers are smart enough to make patol on the House of Pettiness. Sabi ni CTM, grabe tong presidente na to, or the First Lady rather, because she knows more about the law than B. Sabi ni Softtide, sobrang ang gagalang at mahinahon ang mga abogado ni VP sa mga interviews nila. Ang babait. Ang galing ni VP pumili ng defense niya. Sabi ni Jimwell, safe po ba si VP sa Senado? Does she have the numbers para mabasura ang impeachment complaint? I think that the senators are much more easy, kumbaga much more pliable, much more receptive to rational evidence, and much more sensitive to public responses, kumbaga expressions of the public. Sabi ni Master Sam, si Senator Marcoleta ang magiging VP, si Sara ang magiging VP ni Sara. Pero dati po, Attorney Trix, kala ko po ikaw, uy grabe, ikaw magiging VP ni Sara, ni VP Sara. Ikaw po talaga nasa isip ko dati. Nay, alam nyo sir, meron lang po ako dito. Dito lang ako sa gigilid. Kumbaga, taga-gillage. Grabe naman kayo. But maraming salamat po sa sa tiwala ninyo sa akin at saka sa mataas na pagtingin ninyo. Pero sa totoo lang sir, ay ma'am pala si Master Sam. Ma'am, talagang lang ako. Aliping sa gigilage, sa gigilid lang po. Sabi ni Sir Ernie, kapag di pumayag ang may-ari ng account sa bangko, di rin maaari maglabas dahil sa batas ng secrecy. At mga mag-i-impeach sa kanya ay mga bayarang congressman at woman. Pero kasi sir, nakalagay po sa Bank Secrecy Act ay isa doon sa mga allowed na reasons para buksan ay kung may order during impeachment proceedings. Sabi ni Perry TV, Attorney, ano masasabi mo kay Auntie Claire na gusto niyang hamunin sa debate si VP Sara? Alam nyo, siguro kulang na yung yung mga na pinag-uusapan siya, kulang na yung atensyon na gusto niya. So, hindi ko bibigay yun. Ganito yun pag may nakikita akong tao na gustong-gusto nilang pinapansin sila na they try to, do somersaults or, argue or yung halatang-halata na they want attention, I don't give it. Ganun lang po talaga ako. So, eto, sabi ni Tambay sa kanto, maiba lang ako, yung magiging vice ni VP na hahabol sa mga kurakot, dapat po ba mga katulad ni Greco Belhica or someone more on statesman din like VP? Alam nyo kasi ang nagsiset ng standard si VP mismo. So I am assuming that she will be looking for somebody who is either a lawyer, a law enforcer, ayan, yun yung mga or basta may kaalaman tungkol sa how to hold people accountable. So, thank you, Miss Nancy Rivera. Hi kay Miss Risa. Riza Miel, hindi po si Risa Hontiveros yan. Sabi ni Stel, sabi ni former Congressman Tupas, pwede na sa Senate na lang siya sagutin lahat. Well, like I said, everybody has an opinion on this, but the only opinion that really counts is the VPs. Sabi ni Deng, ay thank you very much Sir Deng, first gift ever. Salamat po. Sabi ni Tyrone, we have to do our part. Kalampagin natin ang mga congressman natin na huwag magpadala sa pera. Yan, tama yan. So, not likely, Cupcake. Sabi ni Stels, Attorney, wala ka bang balak mag-Senate? I think mas bagay ka doon. Ang ambition ko is maka 1 million followers sa YouTube or sa Facebook. Sa Facebook, kalahating million Sabi ni, where is Wally? Ang sarap panoorin yung interview niya with Attorney Poa. Ang galing niya mag-explain. Galing nga. Very, very good talaga. Very, kalmado din. Diba? Very, yan talaga. Tama yung approach niya. Mabait with all due respect to the House of Representatives. Tama yan. Tama yung ginagawa niyang yan. So tayo na nandito sa labas, nagmimiron and demanding our rights as citizens, pwedeng iba yung approach natin. Sabi ni Ma'am Risa, ano yung masasabi nyo kababalita sa GMA na dito daw gagawin ang armas ng USA sa Pinas baka nadamay? Sa totoo lang, matagal na po nilang pinag-uusapan yan. Bahagi yan ng kung hindi ako nagkakamali, nung nininegotiate dati ng ating Pangulo na dagdagan naman yung yung benepisyo natin kasi ang dami na nagdagdag pa tayo ng mga ng mga kampo na maaaring magtigil ang US forces. So marami nga nagsasabi nagdatingan daw sa Zamboanga ang ilang mga puwersa ng Estados Unidos. So marami pong nababahala. Well, sa akin, hindi niyo lang napapansin, pero matagal na po silang nandito. Ang tawag nga sa kanila ay consultants. Parang Vietnam War lang. Pero ngayon, naiintindihan ko na maraming nababahala na nandito sila kasi nga nasa kasagsagan ng giyera sa Middle East. At tama po yung iba, baka nga tayo madamay. Pero ang tingin ko niyan, whether nakikita sila o hindi, dumadami ang mga puwersa nila o hindi, matagal na po tayong identified sa US, lalong-lalo na pagdating dito sa mga issues natin dun sa West Philippine Sea. Tingin ko, that ship has sailed. We're closely identified with the US already. So thank you kay Mami Sunshine. Maraming salamat po sa padala ninyo. Ay, yan. Sabi ni Cedar, para sa akin malinaw na sinasabi ni VP that she really wants a bloodbath. doon pa lang malaking palaisipan na yan para sa mga kalaban. Ponya says, patay nga kayang i-represent ng lawyer via will and testament tapos sila magpapa-mini trial tapos bawal coaching. Kalokohan. Sabi ni Eric Coy, paano kung ikaw ang i-endorse ni VP? Will you accept? Parang ang feeling ko walang choice pag si VP. But I don't count on it. Uulitin ko ha, hindi kami ganun ka-close. I think she knows who I am kasi kaya niya akong biruin eh. At saka napapanood ako dati sa Karambola. Pero yung ganyan, yung to the point na ano siya, na i-endorse and all that, I'm not counting on it. Kasi sa totoo lang, ang saya ko naman dito. Sabi ni Romeo, sana maging DOJ o ombudsman ka. Alam niyo sa totoo, if I become ombudsman or ano, kailangan kasing bait ko, kailangan I am as good as OMB Sam Martires. Tingnan mo, sa sobrang bait niya, hindi siya talaga worried about his security. Pero kung ako yan, Diyos ko, baka panghabang buhay, kakailanganin mo ng security. Ganun din ang DOJ. I am very sure. So, but I doubt that she will. Okay? Ganun na lang po. Huwag po natin siyang pangunahan. Ang mahalaga, we will give her a free hand because she must be able to put in the people that she can trust and people that she would really want to be there. Ako gusto ko napapaligiran siya ng mga taong kilala niya na alam niya kung how they're going to do this and they will not be embarrassed to talk to her. Yung kumbaga sanay na nakausapin siya. Para sa akin mahalaga po 'yon eh, yung trust and confidence niya doon sa mga tao niya. I'm not sure if I will ever be deserving of that. But ganito na lang. If she asks, I will never say no to anything that she asks. Para sa bayan. But I doubt. Sabi ni MC, if manalo si Sara bilang presidente and offers, ay, ganun din, would you accept? Ganito yon eh. How do you say no to the president? But you can't. So, if she asks, of course I will. Pero, alam nyo yon, sisiguraduhin ko muna na hindi yan, na yung unang-una hindi yan biro. Alam niyo naman mapagbiro yung tao. Sabi ni Master Sam, simula pa lang hindi na patas, wala nang nagko-complain sa impeachment, excited na sila para sa impeachment, pinaghahandaan nila. Pero ang tingin ko, kaya nga nila binabagalan eh. Alam nyo, if they already were sure about the vote, minadali na nila yan. Katulad ng pagmamadali nila last time. O bakit ang bagal? Bakit once a week lang sila naghihiring? Kasi hindi sila sigurado dun sa boto. Sino-slow down nila yan. Sabi ni Lindo, ang basa ko dyan, gagamitin ni VP ang impeachment trial na pahiyain ng HOR kung gaano kababaw ang kaso nila, yan ang magiging bloodbath. Pwede rin. Good one, good one. I like that. Tama yan, tama yan. Sabi ni Ernie, panahon pa ni Pinoy, dami ng American military dito kasi maganda ang posisyon nila dito sa mga kalaban nila. Totoo yan. Sabi ni Master Sam, pag si Rowena Guanzon ang magiging spokesperson ni VP Sara, bagay sila nila Claire Castro, pareho silang kaso malaki ang pagkakaiba ni Bing Guanzon, may level kumpara kay Claire Castro. Good evening, Jamal. Hi kay Black Spider. Good morning sa side ninyo. Sabi ni Black Spider, kung patas lang ang laban sa election, landslide win yan si VP. Sabi ni Kay, once a week lang ang hearing kasi nangangalap pa sila ng evidence. Good point, good point. Sabi ni Sean, Attorney Trixie is a lawyer and handle difficult court-martial cases. Considering that Sara wants her VP to focus on going after corrupt officials of this admin, then Attorney her VP, Uy! Yikes! I'm sure, nako, aawayin na ako ng mga, walang ganyan. Alam niyo kung bakit? Makaawayin na ako ng mga other aspirants. Pwede rin naman yung panggulo. Kunwari, magkakandidato ako, sabihin nyo, yan, Trixie for VP. Tapos at the last minute, ilalagay ni Inday yung kanyang tao. Pwede yan, kung yan yung purpose nyo para sabihin yung pangalan ko. Para ako na lang ang awayin ni na nung iba. Ano bang tawag doon? Strawman? Sabi ni Black Spider, basta buong angkan ko solid Duterte kami. Hi kay Kentaro Ken. Sabi ni MC, pwede ba attorney kahit naka-break ang HOR, tinutuloy pa rin nilang impeachment? Actually, pwede. Sabi ni Cedar, ibang klase kasi pumili si VP, lalo na ngayon sa mga nangyayari sa kanya. Talagang 98% matino ang pipiliin niya. Oo, so bakit niyo nilalabas yung pangalan niyo ko? Kayo talaga. Baka maraming makulam eh. Hi kay Gift Gaza. Birthday po niya ngayon. Huy, mag-happy birthday kayo kay Gift Gaza. Sabi niya, birthday niya today and solid Duterte siya. Happy birthday, Gift Gaza. Ayan, sabi ni Damon, uy, don't worry, sabi ni Damon, regarding my opinions earlier, those are just my realistic view. Okay lang, but those are also my realistic responses. But I know her legal team and her ability to deal with this is already proven by her as mayor of Davao during her terms. Agree completely on that one. Sabi ni Sweet Dreams, ang Economist looks at our upcoming ASEAN hosting as a waste of at least 18 billion in funds and is worth canceling. I think our optics president won't budge a bit because we know why. Ay. Sabi ni Damon, I lived in Davao for 13 years since 2012. Naabutan ko pa si PRD noon as mayor. Kung good governance lang, alam ko na kaya nila talaga gawing maayos ang Pilipinas. Yup, we have no doubts. Sabi ni Cedar, ibang klase pumili si... Ay, nabasa ko na pala. Sabi ni Samin, kung sa US po ang VP nila pwede maging Senate Speaker, pwede rin ba dito since similar ang laws natin? No, it's not in the Constitution. It has to be in the Constitution. Para sa akin, siguro dapat mas efficient kasi hindi ka na hindi na nagkakagulo over sino yung magiging Senate President. Tayo yung mag-elect. Sabi ni Miss Bingini, maganda talaga attorney, nasa Senado ka, kasama mo sina Attorney Vic, Attorney Topacio, Attorney Torion. Takot ko lang sa kanila. Sabi ni Skyrus, 21 billion i-release pero almost 19 billion para sa infra, 2 billion sa fuel subsidy. May conflict sa Middle East, iba priority nila. Diniscuss nga namin yan dun sa Spox. Uy, para dun sa mga hindi pa napapanood yung The Spox nung Friday, panoorin nyo naman. Panoorin nyo, parang nagdebeg. May gusto ko lang mas maraming manood doon kasi mas matino yung interview ni Attorney Mike kesa doon sa ibang mga walang kwentang ini-interview. Alam nyo na kung ano yan, ayoko banggitin yung pangalan. Sabi ni Ma'am Angelina, may papalit na kay Miriam. Pag nanalo si Attorney Guanzon, may paninindigan. Bakit ayaw mag-show? Yan. Ayun. Ay. Sabi ni Lucky Sprite, I watched Ma'am M. Malutikias talk in the DDS Strategic Consultative Forum. I love her. She talked about the Duterte playbook. Na-miss ko PRD, pinanood ko yung debates niya before. Sabi ni Where is Wally, ano po remedy natin if yung Supreme Court is ignore pa rin nila yung petition despite the signatures? It's really up to the parties kasi sa totoo lang, yung signatures are coming from people who are not parties to the case. So, the Supreme Court can actually ignore that. Pero, the good thing is that so far tinatanggap naman. So, it's possible na inonoted nila yan. So, it's still, hindi yan basta, it's not been dismissed eh. So, yun yung, kumbaga, hindi ini-ignore ng Supreme Court yan. The thing is, since wala si PRD dito, hindi na pressing. Hindi sila nagmamadali. Magmamadali sila if PRD was still in the holding room in Villamor. Mabilis pa sa alas 4, andyan na yan, nirelease na yan. But he's not. So, what remains is the determination of whether or not tama yung pagkuha sa kanya. Tama ba na walang court hearing? Yung mga ganyan. And that's not going to be easy. Which is why, ang tingin ko, nagtatagal yan. But they are not ignoring the petition. Merong iba talaga na they keep asking me this in the hopes that I will change my answer. Pero kasi nga, unang-una, mabilis na mabilis ang decisions on habeas corpus because nakakulong yung tao dito sa Pilipinas. Now, kasi the Supreme Court has no power over the ICC. But they have power to determine whether or not itong senatore et al., itong group effort ay illegal. Now, kung may finding ang Supreme Court on that, this can actually be used by Attorney Kaufman. So yun yung value niya. Could be, ha? I'm not saying it's an absolute certainty. Pero nagamit ni Attorney Kaufman yung hearing ni Senator Amy. Sabi ni DC Paranormal, uy, bakit paranormal? Sabi niya, kami na po mga taga Davao magre-recommend po sa iyo bilang OMB. Ay, hala. I'm not sure that's a good thing. For me, ha? Pero, this is not to say I'm not flattered. I am extremely flattered when you say things like that. And I appreciate na parang natutuwa kayo sa akin kaya ganyan yung tingin ninyo. Normally, political appointments are, I think my cat broke something. Normally, political appointments are much more complicated. Merong iba, they go through a process. Merong iba na, kinikilatis talaga if you're a right fit. So, but I am extremely proud of myself that you think that. Thank you very much. Sabi ni Jamal, ayaw ng mga oligarchs na maging maayos ang Pinas. Sabi ni Jamal, kamusta rapport ninyo ni Attorney Barry? Nag-abot kasi kami ni Attorney Barry sa UP Law. So hindi po, kumbaga, nag-abot pa kami. Or, matagal ko na siyang kilala kasi marami naman tayong kaibigan among the left. Pero most of yung mga kakilala ko, hindi po sila RA, the affirmist. Dun sila sa kabilang side. And dun sina Attorney Barry. So, we've been, kumbaga, we travel the same circles. So, but, yun, alam nyo, si Attorney Barry, mabait yan talaga in person. He can be, in other shows, depende siya. Kumbaga, nakikibagay siya. And that's what I like about him. Iba yung tono ng The Spokes, bumabagay siya dun sa tono. And it's amazing, nagkakaroon na siya ng fans. Which, for me, is a bonus for for The Spokes. Sabi ni Shin, sabi ni VP, allergic daw siya now sa mga politiko. So, di naman politician si Attorney Trix, kaya let's go. Thanks for Senator. Diyos ko, saan tayo mangho-hold up niyan? Sabi ni Ferdinand, gandang gabi. Huli na po at antok na, team replay na lang uli. No problem. Sabi ni Kyle, I wish I can swap places with Tatay Digong even for a minute. He doesn't deserve this. Ay. Thank you for saying that. Sa totoo lang, I would be happy to swap places. Ang dami sigurong pipila dyan na, kami muna papalit. Reliable muna kay tatay. Pwede bang ganun? Kung pwede lang talaga, okay ako. Bigyan niyo ako ng 6 months para makahabol ako sa babasahin ko. Pwede kong sulat yung thesis ko habang nandun sa loob. Sabi ni Tyrone, kung totoo ang kulam, ipakulam na silang lahat para, nawala. Para ma-stop na sila, wala namang fair sa labanan sa ngayon. In your opinion, sabi ni MC, OMB Remulla, deserve ba niya maging Bendalo? Parang wala kang sinabi doon. Sabi ni CTM, in for right now, ngayong may oil crisis, grabe talagang pagdanakaw nila harap-harapang pangloloko. Hi kay Raquel Olandes, kakanina pa siya nanonood. Maraming salamat po. Thank you kay Ken, uli. Thank you rin kay Burunsoy. Sabi ni Where's Wally, basta ang dapat gawin ng Supreme Court, mag-decide na sa habeas corpus. Ako, I want it to be a good decision with the right timing. Kamag-anak ko na Canadian and American citizens, kinakampanya si Sarah, sabi ni CTM. I love it! Uy sabi ng TikTok, you're now in the top 99 and can collect tiles to be redeemed for rewards. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Sabi ni Kap, yung oil sa Saba na kiniklaim natin, ano kayang balita doon? Baka pwedeng sumingit tayo. Tingin mo gagawin ng presidente yon? Sabi ni Kyle, they say you shouldn't meet your heroes, but I have a feeling Rodrigo Duterte is the real thing. Yes. Hindi ako nagsisi na na-meet ko siya. Ever. Ever. He is the real thing. So, I wanted to understand him. That's why I really went to meet him. And now, kumbaga, ang lalim ng balon. Kumbaga, if you want, kumbaga, when you talk to him, there's always a new thing that you discover about him. He's every bit, he's bugoy, he's kengkoy, but at the same time, pag nag-uusap na kayo ng batas and ano, I love it the way, hindi siya mayabang. Pag sinabi niya, ganito, we'll talk law, no? Sasabihin ko, sir, may bagong development yan, ganito. Kikinig siya. Tapos i-discuss niya, paano yung ganito. It's malalim siya mag-isip. Talagang yung years niya as a prosecutor, lumalim talaga yung appreciation niya ng batas. Sabi ni MC De La Cruz, do you believe the statement of the 18 Marines? Yes. Yes. With no reservations. Sabi ni Kuya Waray, Miss Masbate, handa na kami. Ano ibig sabihin ng Miss Masbate? Sabi ni Where is Wally, kasi magiging president po ito in the future, yung decision nila sa habeas corpus ni PRD. Yes. It's quite possible, yes. But that doesn't mean they have to immediately decide it. It's up to them. Oh, sabi ni Ma'am Raquel, you're welcome. Your live is music to my ears. Sabi ni Miss Awi, sa totoo lang, naghihintay ako na magpakitang gilas, mga mangkukulam ng Pinas. We badly need them to cast their spell sa mga magnanakaw sa kaban ng bayan. Siguro, Mangkus of the Philippines. Challenge? I hope you accept. Si Perlito, sabi niya, proud to be an ex-tibak na rejectionist. I never got to the point that I was an actual tibak. I would join the rallies when we were younger. I did pass the exams for writer ng SINAG, which is the paper of the College of, at the time, Arts and Sciences. Nag-split up siya. It became the paper of the CSSP. So, do we have a Serb sighting? Serb? Cerberus. Serbivore. Serb. Nandun siya sa anak ko. So, it might take a while. Sabi ni Soft Tides, yung ayuda may filler na karton sa ilalim para magmukhang puno. Seryoso? Nagre-reklamo yung mga naka-receive. Sino nakakita ng video na yun? Tapos 7 oras daw sila pumila. Sobrang binabastos nila tayo. So tama pala, habang nasa pila, sigaw ng Duterte. Diba? Sabi ni MC, if maging presidente si VP, makakalabas pa po kaya si PRD? Mas malaki yung chances. Sinabi po ito ni Attorney Kaufman. Sabi niya kasi, Kunwari pa tong gobyerno ng Pilipinas, sila naman yung acting like the prosecutor, provide ng ebidensya. So, pagka wala na si PBBM and its VP Inday, of course, hindi natutulungan ng Philippine government yung prosecution at pwedeng mag-manifest dito na isoli na si PRD. Whether or not ibigay yon, we don't know. But the government can manifest. Sabi ni Jesswell, kahit po anong pwesto sa gobyerno, basta ikaw ang head. Uy, I trust you so much. Iba paninindigan mo, God bless. You trust me so much na maha-high blood ako sa government position. Sabi ni Lyndon, anong araw kayo sa The Spokes? Sana po mag-guest rin ng DDS vlogger sa The Spokes. Meron po kasing baliw na pink vlogger na naging guest. Hindi ba enough na may DDS vlogger na host? Di ba? O hindi kami pantay? So, we will have to see about that. Kasi sa totoo lang, that's giving the person too much importance. Kailangan pa bang tapatan siya? Bakit? Ganun ba katindi yung effect niya? Tingin ko wala. A lot of people are outraged kasi may nagbigay sa kanya ng plataforma doon. Ang problema, that outrage has translated into hits. Now remember, if you're a media company, good or bad publicity is still publicity. Well, that's for famous people, but it's the same for a media company. Whether you like what was posted or not, you keep hitting that button. You keep appearing there. So, sa totoo lang, because so many people have reacted, edi ang tuwa lang ng so huwag niyo bigyan ng importansya. If nobody cared at walang nanood doon, tapos nilangaw yon, hindi na yun mauulit. May plan po ba na gathering dito sa Manila on PRD's birthday? Alam ko may tie kami naman. So, sa 28th, I think. Oo, parang ganon. Alamin ko. So, pero anong araw ako sa The Spokes, nagbabago po every week para daw hindi kami aabangan. Alam mo yan? Yung pag sinabi ko kasi kunwari na Tuesdays and Fridays ako, then baka yung mga nanonood sa akin, dun lang manonood. So yung iba kasi, they check out every day, tapos minsan nagugustuhan ninyo yung pinapanood nyo, so you stay even for the other hosts. Sabi ni Skyrus, magkasunod pala kayo ng birthday ni PRD. Yeah. Kaya nga, hindi niya nakakalimutan mag-happy birthday sa akin. Di ba? Sabi ni Kentaro, now that I think about it, ang daming The Spokes hosts na pink or yellow, 1 DDS lang sapat na pantapat. Uy, magsusumbong ako. May nag-comment ba naman doon na na bakit walang totoong DDS dyan? Tapos yung hindi dapat pro-China. So, may gumanon, I don't trust her. Isa lang nga nagsabi na, pero, sabi ko, hindi pa pala enough. Hindi pala sila nagtitiwala kay PRD. Sabi ni Don, parang ayoko na maging Pilipino kasi nakikita na natin na ninanakawan tayo pero hinahayaan lang natin. Aba, are you doing something about it or are you expecting somebody else to lead? Kasi sa totoo lang, what we need are leaders. If you're willing to do that, kasi ganito yan if you're expecting a certain action and you're expecting it from somebody else, then definitely madidisappoint ka talaga. Kasi if you see that walang nangyayari, then di ba dapat kayo yung make something happen? It's just a challenge. Pero para sa akin, nawawalan ako ng karapatan magsabi ng hindi pa kayo gagalaw kasi dapat ako yung gumagalaw. So I attend every single rally. I go to all that. I help out as much as I can. Tapos tinatanong ko parati sa kanila, anong kailangan yung tulong? Pag pagsasalitain ako, sige, kahit sandamakmak na yung mga kaso ko, game lang. Sabi ni Bart, kaya pala mababait mga Aries. Ang bait natin. Oy! Self-serving. Sabi ni Bart, sana may good news kay Tatay Diggs bago siya mag-birthday. Oh, by the way, ha? Anong araw na ba ngayon? Today is the 21st. May time pa po para dun sa mga gustong magpadala ng flowers para kay Tatay Digong. Check out dun sa page ni Kifi. Let's turn it daw into a sea of flowers, sabi ni Attorney Kaufman. Sabi ni Joy, sumama ka ba as press secretary ng Malacanang before dahil kay VP? What were your choices and when did you realize that you had to exit na? Actually, nakuwento ko na ito dati. Actually, yes. Two things yan eh. Kilala ko talaga si BBM. And I've always helped him out even when he was running for VP. Pero syempre, mas PRD ako. Nung tumatakbo si PRD, syempre, doon ako nakatutok. Pero, kilala ko si BBM, so tumulong din ako, but not as much as I helped during the PRD campaign. Nung natalo siya and he was doing his election contest, kumbaga, kinontest niya yung kay VP Lenny na pagkapanalo, sumuporta din ako. When he wasn't doing much, so madalas siya nag-guest sa amin sa Carambola. So because kilala ko siya, we helped out in the campaign. I helped out primarily kay VP. So sa Carambola, ang primary support talaga ni BBM was sina Boss Conrad and all that. Mas matagal nilang kilala si BBM. Now, ako late ko na siyang nakilala, but we were part of a group of radio commentators na often, sometimes we would have lunch with him, mga ganon. Later on, as a result of helping out the uni team, tumulong nga pala kami kay VP Inday dun sa ibang mga parallel groups, di ba? Matagal din, yun talaga yung tinututukan namin both. So anyway, after nung malapit na yung May elections, nakikita na nila yung surveys. Malaki na talaga yung chance nung kay BBM. So nag-start siya mag-form ng cabinet. So nag-usap si BBM and some of his advisors at sinabi, namili sila, sino yung best na pwedeng maging ganon. Isa lang yung pangalan na nag-come up. As far as I know, yun yung pangalan ko. So a few weeks before elections, tinanong na nila sa akin. Tapos pinaalam na nila sa radio station. So that's how I was chosen. But the reason I was all in the first place was because andyan si VP. I believed in the uni team. Sino pa ba ang mag-i-endorso na slam dunk kung di si VP Inday? So, ayun. Nung after, maliwanag naman that I did my job as press secretary and not just during the press briefings, hindi nyo na nakikita yung ibang parts like yung pagtulong ko dun sa mga employees ng IBC, dun sa winwork out namin certain things for the other agencies as well. Yung plano namin na inapprove naman ni BBM in principle at saka verbally was yung plan to encourage reading. Meron kasing National Printing Office na may capacity na mag-print ng mga libro. So, kasi tinatanong ako parati ng Congress, how are you going to address fake news? So, sabi ko, we need to establish a reading culture. Kasi marami na, di ba, babasahin lang a certain portion, marami hindi nakakaintindi ng context and all that. So, ang inuumpisa namin at the time was a reading culture and magiging part OPS, Office of the Press Secretary, but we will be working with the National Book Board and other agencies like the NCCA, the NCCA's National Committee on Libraries and Archives, libraries. Sometime during that time, na-realize ko na merong isang tao na ayaw sa akin. And merong attempts to intervene. Merong attempts na siraan ako. So, alam ko naman yung politics behind that. So, it came down to a decision na magpapabigat pa ba ako dun sa mga pangyayari. But by that time, I already had some idea of how this was going to work out. So, Ang worry ko, hindi babayaran yung mga tao ko kasi hindi pa approved lahat ng mga appointments nila pero nagre-render na sila ng service. Para masiguro ko na mabayaran sila, ni-negotiate ko. Alis ako, sige. Alam ko ayaw niya sa akin. Alis ako, bayaran niya yung mga tao ko. So, yun. So, very early yan. There was really an attempt to smear my name. Meron pa ngang mga attempts na sabihin na nag-hire ako ng tolls. Pero yung mga ganyang klaseng paratang ay dapat pinapakitaan ng ebidensya. Wala namang ganon. Para dun sa mga nagtatanong kung may kinalaman si TP, pwede ba? Even if he did, whether he did or not, hindi ko sasagutin yan sa ngayon because he is out of the public eye. Pag mayroong pag he's back as in the public eye, sige, pwede natin pag-usapan yan. But right now, I avoid talking about him because he has sought to become a private person. Okay? So, para sa akin, nirespetuhin ko yung desire niya to stay out of the public eye. Hindi man kami magkaibigan na because we haven't been talking or anything like that, nirespetuhin ko yan. Mabuti na yung And kasi binabanggit niya yung pangalan niya when he actually is no longer participating. Kung nagpa-participate siya in government, nagpo-post pa rin siya and all that, okay yan, pag-usapan natin. Kasi public person na siya. So, kung hindi, huwag na. Huwag na nating idamay si TP. Sabi ni Master Sam, sa 2028 elections, mag-green talaga ako. Sana lahat ng supporters ni VP mag-green para alam makita na si VP Sara talaga vote nila. So, umpisa na natin uli yung Green Fridays. Type nyo ba? Sabi ni Sean, I find the laughing emoji on posts or articles featuring BBM, Crocs, and Kain Suka effective in expressing our disgust, yet not getting too stressed out na makipag-argue sa trolls nila in the comments. That's a good one. Hi, sabi ni Ken, yes please, Green Fridays na po uli. Okay. You're welcome, Miss Joy. Sabi ni Miss Karen, thank you very much. Sabi niya, happy weekend. It will be golden for VP Sara sa 2028. 50th birthday niya on the start of her presidency. I can't wait. Exciting week to come sa The Hague. Mabuhay po kayo, Miss Karen Hini. Tama po ba? Tell me if I'm not pronouncing it right. Nahihiya ako sa inyo. But Miss Karen Hini, thank you very much. Oh. Meron pa po bang katanungan? Sabi ni CTM, I hope there's a law na yung mga elected officials sa public hospital lang sila pwede baka sakali. That's nice. Kifi po, not Kitty. Kifi. With an F. Kifi Chu. Ano daw ang opinion ng Philippine Bar President sa nangyayari ngayon? Philippine Bar Association, that's a private group ha. Baka naman ang iniisip nyo is integrated bar. So, hindi ko po alam. Hindi ko natatanong. Sabi ni strictly outside of my absolute host na si Attorney Trixie sa The Spokes, di ko maiwasan na consider na I like next si Miss Relly Fajardo and last si Sir Nani. Gusto ko paraan yon ng pag-host. Ay, salamat. Ang bait ni Miss Relly, no? Sobrang bait niya magtanong. Minsan, ang talas na ng tanong, pero she says it in such a nice way, nobody really expects her. Parang, okay lang. Kasi ang lambing-lambing ng pagkatanong, minsan. Oh, thank you. So, it's Miss Karen Heaney. Yan. Green po ba political color ni VP o black na? Kasi nakikita ko nag-green pa rin siya eh. So, actually, until that's resolved, siguro pwedeng alternate natin black or green. Pero Fridays tayo ganon. Sabi ni Jamal, si Attorney Vic, bakit di visible? Hindi ko po alam, baka busy. Sabi ni Dom, si Inday ang suporta kay BBM, si Inday ang magtatanggal sa kanya. Si Inday din nagpakulong kay Tatay Diggs. Oy, that's not true. Dapat siya rin gumawa ng paraan para mauwi si Tatay. Uy, 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 uy. Uy, that's not true. She did not do that. There is nothing that she actively did to merit that. Because pag sinabi niyong si VP Inday may kasalanan, ine-exonerate niyo yung group effort. Wag naman po ganyan. And that's very cruel because that's her father. Maraming nagsasabi nga sa kanya na, laban ka Inday. Mas maganda yun. Kasi I don't blame her. Everybody, assuming na you think that it's a mistake, everybody makes mistakes. The difference with VP Inday is tinitindigan niya. And she's saying, okay, nagkamali ako na inendorso ko si BBM. So I will fix it. So, but she doesn't say anything about yung tatay niya, ha? Wag naman po ganyan. I think that's very cruel to think that she had anything actively to do with that. Kasi it will be her fault only if she actively did something to merit that. Endorsing the president, knowing as far as everybody knew, even VP, that BBM wouldn't do something that cruel, would actually continue the programs of PRD. As far as we're concerned, budol yan. So yung mga sinasabi ninyo na it's not her active decision to do this. If pinili niya si BBM and it is BBM who reneged and turned traitorous, that's on him. Kasi lahat tayo nagtiwala sa kanya eh. Ibig sabihin, siya yung sinungaling. Siya yung may pakana. Kasalanan niya. But the good thing about VP, she's saying, I'll fix this. Black timer ba ang politiko sa BNC? Those are the same, they're owned by the same company. Sabi ni Where's Wally, as host po sa Spokes, do you choose the topic and or guests? No, not always. Minsan nagugulat na lang ako kung sino yung guest eh. Kasi ako personally, I'm not sure if I would have chosen Attorney Palad, but ayun, nandun siya. You accept. Kasi para sa akin, bakit ako maiinis o matatakot when there is an opportunity here by questioning Attorney Palad and getting more information? Tingin ko more information helps everybody, VP Inday included. Sabi ni Lyndon, strategy ni VP ISD, never interrupt your enemy when he's making a mistake. Also a good point. Sabi ni Ma'am Samin, let's spread Inday Sara Duterte for President 2028. Actually, every time somebody waves at me and says, Attorney Trix, even hindi ko sila kilala, tapos magpapakilala sila na DDS, sasabihin ko talaga, Inday Sara 2028. Ha? Para to remind lang, you know what I'm especially proud of? I am so super duper proud na in many places that I go, yung mga security guards, maintenance workers, waiters, servers, yung mga sales persons, ganyan, sa mga retail establishments, parating sasabihin, Attorney Trix, gaganon yan. Tapos sasabihin, lalapit ako kasi minsan they can't really say it out loud kasi they're at work. Sasabihin ko na lang, lalapit ako tapos sasabihin ko, Inday Sara tayo ha. Oo, syempre. And I'm so proud of the masang Pilipino who are actually, kumbaga, supporting the VP. I'm so happy about that. Sabi ni Mr. Enigma, ako ay supported BBM since 2016 as VP, sober pa siya. Sumagot nun compared to Lenny, kaya di ko sinisisi si VP Inday na sinuportahan niya si BBM. So totoo po ba talaga na yung bago pa lang naging presidente si BBM, dami na niyang pasyal sa ibang bansa? Nag-start yung pasyal September 2022. Alam ko kasi kasama ako eh. Sinatanong ni Wally, if you're part of VP's defense team, would you recommend her to attend the HOR hearing? No, I will ask her to make the decision. But I will make recommendations. Sabi ko, okay, this is what happens if ganito, and this is what happens if ganito yung choice. Kasi ultimately, I don't want to force her kasi into a situation na ayaw niya. O kunwari, gusto niya talagang magpakita doon. Tapos sabihin ko, ay wag na. Magingit-ngit eh. I don't want her to feel that she had been forced into a position that she's not comfortable with. However, I would still make I will make a recommendation, but I will need more information for her. If she says, no, you have to recommend, tama naman siya in that instance. And I will say, okay, I will ask her a series of questions. And based on those questions, I will make my recommendation. Marami akong di nakikita as of now, so I don't feel safe recommending anything. Sabi ni Home Diva, if we blame VP Sara for PRD's incarceration, then if everyone who voted for BBM is just as guilty. Sabi ni Kyle, BBM was the only one who supported the continuation of Digong's works. And as far as I remember, is the only one who didn't support rejoining the ICC. Yes. How are we to know better? It's not us, it's him. That's it. Thank you for, for phrasing it much better than I did. Sabi ni Ilani Mitchell, dito sa USA, surprised sila na malaking respect ng Filipinos kay PRD contrary sa news na alam nila. That's important. That's why it's important for all OFWs and all our immigrants abroad to be able to bring out the word that we actually love him. The things that you hear about him, they're not true. Natutuwa nga ako because yung mga family ko who are abroad, ay very clear. No. Sabi ni Strictly, ganyan ba standard approach nyo pagdating sa mga clients in your lawyering capacity? Maglalatag ng record and let them decide if it can be against your judgment? I didn't say that. Kasi dun sa recommendation on both ends and getting them to decide, that's because I don't have a recommendation. I don't have a judgment. Ngayon, kung sabihin niya, I need your recommendation, then I will fire off a series of questions. That series of questions will give me more information and then I can make a recommendation. So, don't put words into my mouth. So unsanitary. Sabi ni CTM, sobrang nakakahiya si BBM pati sa US. Filipinos really took the time para mag-rally sa harap ng hotel niya. Sabi ni Ian Pamplona, the reason why people still and will always love the Dutertes, they are not elites, and I don't consider the term elites as positive. Miss Sara for Press 2028, next time po, wag po all caps ha. Uy, thank you very much kay Miss Artemis. Nandito siya. Sabi ni Miss Sara, pwede rin bang questionin ni VP ang salin ng members ng Hindi po. It's inquisitorial, the inquisition being sila yung nag-aas. Sabi ni Don, anong mangyayari kung kaalyado ni BBM manalo sa 2028? Then we will continue to be on the opposition. Sabi ni Strictly, sorry attorney, I should have worded it much better, but thank you for providing a detailed explanation on this. Thank you for appreciating it. Kasi minsan feeling ko, ay, ang taray ng sagot, baka magalit. Hindi ko naman intention. Sabi ni Michael, attorney, Eid Mubarak po sa mga kapatid nating mga Muslim. Eid Mubarak. Sana naman po matauhan ng ating militar at mga kapulisan at suportahan tayo nadidehado sa laban sa mga korap ng mga opisyal. Good evening, Miss Artemis. Ang late niyo dumating. Kanina pa kami. Malapit naman tapos. Na-miss ko kayo. Sabi ni Wenwen, mas malaki ba kita ngayon ng bus at Grab drivers kasi nabawasan ng traffic kahit pa mataas ang gasolina? Kasi ang tingin ko, may kaakibat na pagtataas na presyo yan. So, I think everything just balances it out. Maswerte tayo kung kunwari, yeah, halos the same, pero ang tingin ko niyan magtataas talaga. Sabi ni Dato Ron, regarding SALN, pwede ba na hingin ang SALN ng mga congressmen na may mamahalin na gamit gaya ni Abante? Unfortunately nga, doon sa rules ng House, kailangan pumayag sila. Diba? How unfair. Sabi ni Omi, after the impeachment trial, can VP Sara file a libel case against those who filed against her? Libel. No, not libel, perjury. Kasi may sworn statement yan eh. Dapat po ba mag-inhibit si Kong Luis to kasi may utang siya sa family ni VP Inday? I don't know about inhibiting, but they have not asked for her to be inhibited, even based on that. So, ang tingin ko niyan is, on the outside, dapat merong mag-file ng disciplinary action siguro. Okay, last two questions. Sabi ni Where's Wally, mag-isa lang siyang lumalaban. Sino, si VP? Hindi, kasama niya tayo. Sabi ni Master Sam, sa vlog ni Claire, ginagamit niya pa din pagiging spokes niya. Di po ba personal vlog niya yon? Masyado niya pinagkakakitaan si VP Sara. Sa kaka-content niya kay VP natin, busog na sunog eh. I think that yung pwede siyang mag-vlog, nasa sa presidente yun eh. Yun yung boss niya. So yung boss niya yung magsasabi. Kasi noon, talagang hindi ako nag-vlog unless it was necessary kasi kunwari hindi ako makapagpatawag ng press briefing, may ilalabas akong balita, or as in the case nung nasa US kami, nag-live ako, kasi hindi makapag-press briefing. So, yun po yun. Sabi ni Alvino, I really like you. You're so kind and smart. Gusto kong mangkulam. But thank you very much. I do appreciate all the kind words. Super kind naman kayo. Sabi ni Where's Wally, is it just me or Senator Bongo is quite timid as opposition senator? Kawawa kasi si Sen Marcoleta. I think so as well. But then he's always been like that. Sabi ni Crisanto, yung naghahanap kay TP kasama ni Atty. Acosta, narinig niyo ba ang boses niya? Hindi ko alam yan. Sabi ni Strictly, bakit ini-insist ni Kong Luis to na mini-trial yung nangyayari? Para lang naman silang mga inquisitors sa Committee on Justice. Well, an inquisition is a kind of trial. Di ba conflict of interest yan? Ang magsasabi ng conflict of interest will be VP Sara. So kung hindi siya nag-allege nun, then wala tayong choice but to accept that. Okay, last question sa TikTok. Uy, maraming salamat, Miss Artemis. Ilan ba? Nakaabot ba ng gift goals sa kabila? Konti na lang. So, dito sa TikTok, mag-extend tayo ng 5 minutes para makomplete yung gift goals. Kung hindi makomplete within that time, okay lang, tatapusin na natin. So, dito, Miss Omi, I suppose you will understand why I am not going to answer that question. It's because that's a very uncomfortable question. Ang tanong niya is, how was your experience with Lisa Marcos? Was she kind to you? Next question. Sabi ni Strictly, speaking of the Supreme Court, di ba nag-request na mag-provide ng memo ang team group effort para paliwanag? Bakit nila ginagawa ang ginagawa nila? Dahil di pa sila nasagot, do you think nakaka-apekto din yon? Yes. Oh, I'm sorry, there's no Serb sighting. It's because he's with my... Dito na siya. Cerberus. Tulog. Herbivore. Yuhu, Serbi. Tulog. Seryosong tulog. Tulog na tulog. He's been like that lately, especially when he's gone for a run. So, ayun. Siguro bukas we'll have more. Kung gusto niyo, we'll be posting in the various platforms yung itsura niya. Normally, I post about Serb and the kitten cats and the chickens. The chickens, by the way, are the Siamese cats. Para dun sa mga bago dito, when we say chickens, they're my Siamese cats. Kasi dati, nung tinatawag ko, lalo na yung dalawa, namatay na si Eli, but Levi and Eli were kittens for the longest time, were kittens. And we kept calling them kittens until napansin ko, minsan nagkakamali ako, I'd say chickens. Pag chickens ang sinabi ko, dumadating sila. So, so yun ang tawag namin dun sa ibang mga cats namin, chickens. Chicken cats or kitten cats. So, Serb. Yun. Cerberus. Ay, talaga hindi ako pinapansin. Feeling ko, kung wala akong treats na ilalabas, hindi ako papansinin ito. Miss Artemis at saka Sir Bart, thank you very much, ha? So, okay. Maraming salamat for those in the red, blue, and green apps. Maraming salamat po sa inyong participation, sa walang sawang pagsuporta dito sa Luminous, lalong-lalo na yung mga nagre-renew ng subscriptions and all that. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. If you really want to know what we use the support for, usually it's for the bucket lists. It's for, kunwari, punta sa Hague, yung mga ganyan, so that we can meet also some of or for the travel, so that we can meet a lot of our followers. So, yun. So, maraming salamat sa inyo.